While the vast majority of the cryptographic forms of money zeroed in on blockchain and DeFi, they concentrated on information capacity, dealing with, and exchange. There explicitly were not really any players in the cryptographic money market who turned their thoughtfulness regarding advanced publicizing or video organizing that is picking up speed and the issues related therewith. Allow us most certainly to investigate the ongoing subtleties of Theta organization and comprehend the Theta cost expectation for what's in store. However, numerous monetary forms have attacked the much sought-after cryptographic money market. The most discussed and high-positioned is Theta. Prime supporter Steve Chen and his devoted company of specialists, researchers, and calculation and blockchain specialists who rejuvenated this Theta crypto upheld him. Theta sort of is a symbolic that drives Theta's decentralized video conveyance organization, controlled by clients in an imaginative new blockchain. With truckload of cash and time spent on Watcher's very own information, it has turned into a mammoth undertaking to by and large synchronize the whole system's administration usefulness and prune the pointless. The value journey of Theta has been fashioned with critical cost changes. In 2018, it had recently begun its excursion with a cost of around 20 cents, and from that point forward, there has been no thinking back till 2020. Theta coin cost really somersaulted in the year 2021, changing the pattern from the start to the furthest limit of the year. Theta has had a notable excursion till mid-2021. In the wake of hitting an unequaled high of $15.90 in April, Theta organization crypto confronted a lofty fall, and it kept on exchanging under colossal negative tension until April 2022, which truly is very critical. Afterward, from the last May, the Theta token cost has enrolled consolidative value development to date. In any case, starting from the start of 2023, it has denoted a moderate recuperation and especially figured out how to exchange above 70 cents. The ongoing cost of the Theta token is around $1.09. All said and done, Theta's pattern has been very forceful, prompting a very encouraging way. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions, which generally is very huge. At the hour of composing this Theta cost expectation, the ongoing cost of Theta is $1.09, and information demonstrates that the resource cost could in every practical sense recuperate in the impending days. The exchanging volume has been $19,418,694 with a market cap of $1,072,552,386 and a coursing supply of 1 billion Theta. Our crypto figure thinks about a few factors, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparable coins in an unpretentious way. We foresee the fate of the Theta coin in a comparative procedure. We should investigate Theta organization cost expectation for the impending years. Alongside driving cryptos, the Theta coin generally has additionally generally reflected forward movement. Toward the finish of 2023, the Theta token cost could record a most extreme value level of $2.32, while the base cost may be around 96 cents in a significant manner. Theta crypto value expectation 2024. In view of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2024, it is guessed that the Theta cost can hit a limit of $2.88 and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The most minimal Theta organization cost will especially be around $2, and the typical Theta organization cost will exchange around $2.44. Theta value expectation 2025 to 2025 could check the benchmark year at the cost of the Theta coin. It, all things considered, is anticipated to outperform a typical cost of $3.05 definitely, which is very huge. According to our Theta coin cost forecast 2025, the crypto may record the most exorbitant cost degree of $3.60, while the base value level may be around $2.50. Or so they thought. Theta in every practical sense. Token value forecast 2026. There is plausible that Theta organization will rise dramatically in 2026. Theta coin cost is supposed to cross a normal cost of $3.94. The greatest and least value levels may be around $4.65 and $3.23. Separately, according to the Theta cost forecast 2026, incredibly, Theta forecast 2027 financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2027, as the reception of Theta will develop dramatically. The most extreme value level of Theta organization may handily raise a ruckus around town mark toward the finish of 2027. On the drawback, it might tumble to the least value level of around $4.10. Theta value expectation 2028 keeping up pair with a similar bullish pattern. There are forecasts that Theta is ready for a rise in 2028. The Theta coin could contact the most exorbitant cost degree of $7.47 with a kind of typical cost of $6.33. But for the most part, least cost may be around $5.19 during the year. Theta organization value expectation 2029 out of 2029. The Theta cost might raise a ruckus around town. Mark according to our Theta cost estimate. Financial backers might procure extraordinary benefits on the off chance that they focus profoundly on an unobtrusive way. The greatest and least value levels may be around $9.10 and $6.32. Theta Value Forecast 2030. Theta organization cost is in a real sense anticipated to truly reach somewhat around its past all-time high by 2030, with a typical exchanging cost of $9.93. Theta organization's truly least worth could come to $8.14 in a huge manner. In view of our Theta coin cost forecast for 2030, we anticipate that the most extreme cost should be around $11.72. In light of our figures, a drawn-out remedy is normal. The cost expectation for long-term end is 53 cents, or so they basically thought. Your ongoing venture might be debased. In this manner, Theta can be a terrible, high-risk speculation choice. According to the Figure Information Examination, the cost of Theta generally is supposed to cross the degree of $2.30 amazingly. Before the year's over 2024, Theta organization is supposed to arrive at any rate charge of $2.34. Moreover, the Theta cost is fit for getting a most extreme degree of $2.77. Is Theta a wise speculation? An expected level of investment in a real sense is dependably fitting, being a critical component here. There ought not be any heartbreaks nor any overstated assumptions required on the off chance that you trade mindfully, facing a calculative challenge, or so they thought. What amount will Theta be worth in 2025? As indicated by the Theta Coin Cost Forecast 2025, the normal cost of Theta organization could cross the $3 mark. It could raise a ruckus around town level of $3.60 toward the finish of 2025. Where might I at any point purchase Theta? At this moment, you can purchase Theta at major crypto trades, including Binance. When you have your exchanging account set up at one of the trades that exchange Theta, you should move your Bitcoin or ETH cash from Coinbase to that particular trade. This is done by means of a wallet framework. Does Theta have a future? Theta is one digital currency that really will have a splendid future. Riding the crypto wave, it will run the computerized realm, thus for of installment, it would have a long reign in an unobtrusive manner. Is Theta a trick or genuine? Which is very huge, in spite of all discussions and debates. Theta uncovers an extremely sound and dynamic environment. In this way, it is a genuine stage.